Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete all car pad achievements in Grow a Garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my garden guide and then I'm going to go to the achievements menu. Okay, and then we can select the core paths achievements, and these are the achievements that you need to complete, and we're going to open the achievement one by one. Start from this catch them all achievements. Okay, basically you just need to obtain the required paths here, and these are the paths that you need to obtain. And for this achievement guys, I recommend you to work with your friend. For example, if you don't have dragonfly and then your friend have this path, you can ask your friend to give the dragonfly to you and then you can give it back to your friend. Or if you have dragonfly, you can give it to your friend and then you can ask your friend to give it back to you. And then I'm going to go back to the achievements, and now for the common achievements, you need to complete all these missions or the quests. And for me, I think it's really hard to get the common achievements guys. You need to add dog to your garden, and you need to sell 100 pets and mutate a golden lab, give 5 dogs. But it's a little bit easier than the next one. Okay, and let's move to the uncommon achievements. Okay, you need cat and also chicken and deer for the uncommon achievements. You need to give 200 pets. And let's move to the next one, the rare achievements. You will need monkey, orange tabby, rooster, and also deer. And let's move to the legendary achievements. You will need legendary pet. You will also need the level up lollipop. And then let's move to the mythical achievements. You will need gray mouse, and then giant ant, squirrel, and then the snail as well. And then let's move to the defined achievements. And wow, it's so crazy guys, because you need to sell 1k pets and hatch more than 1k eggs, mutate 100 pets, and get red fox, dragonfly, and then mantis. And if you want to complete all the achievements, I recommend you to buy the eggs from the egg shop, as many as you can. And again, you can work with your friend to complete all the core pets achievements in Grow a Garden. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!